Hello friends, in this video we will going to learn whether the given value of variable is root of the given quadratic equation or not. There will be more than one value given to you for the variable, which we will going to substitute in the left hand side and find out whether it is equals to the right hand sides of the equation value or not, and that will decide whether the given values of the variables are root of the quadratic equations or not. Root means solution also. So I hope you will like this video. The equation this is given to you as 2x square minus 7x plus 6 equals to 0, and x values are given 3 upon 2 or minus 2. We have to check whether x equals to 3 upon 2 and minus 2 are the solution or the root of the given quadratic equation. Quadratic equation is given in pink or the red, but we have to find out the values given are roots or not. Root means what? If one value which satisfy the given solution give the solution for the quadratic equation, then that gives to you root, and if more than that is given, then you can also call it as a solution. Okay, so let us see how we have to find out, as well as how we have to write down in the answer book if the such questions comes in board. Solution, first value of x will going to take it as a 3 upon 2. So our quadratic equation has two parts, 2x square minus 7x plus 6 on the left side, and on the right side we have 0. So we are taking or we are substituting the value of x what is given to us to the left hand side of the given quadratic equation. When I am substituting it, what I am getting, that you see, 2 into 3 upon 2 whole square minus 7 into 3 upon 2 plus 6. If you see, quadratic term is 2x square, so 2 into x value is 3 upon 2. So I substituted the value of x as 3 upon 2 whole square. Our linear term is minus 7x, so minus 7 into 3 upon 2, and constant term is 6, so I wrote as it is. When I simplify further, I got 2 into 9 upon 4, because above equation if you see 3 upon 2 whole square it is, so 9 upon 4 minus 7 into 3 upon 2 plus 6. Further simplified, 9 upon 2 minus 21 upon 2 plus 6. You can see that first term have 2 in the numerator, so I cancelled it with denominator. If you want, you can keep it as it is, multiply numerator to numerator, but then you have to equalize the denominator for simplification. Okay, so we have got 9 upon 2 minus 21 upon 2 plus 6. Further, when I simplify, 9 minus 21 plus 12, because the constant term when you see its denominator is 1 and a fraction have denominator as 2, so I have to equalize, so I multiplied up and down 2. When I further simplified, I got answer as 0, which is equals to right hand side. That means x equals to 3 upon 2 satisfies both the sides of the equation. Okay, therefore what we can say, x equals to 3 upon 2 is the solution, or you can say root of the given equation. I hope it is clear. How you have to write down that method also you keep in a mind, so that you should not lose any marks in the final exam. Now let us check the second one value. Now we are taking x equals to minus 2, the same method. We are substituting the value x as minus 2, simplifying, you will find that minus 2 whole square is plus 4, minus 7 into minus 2 is plus 14. When we further simplify, When we further simplify, we get 8 plus 14 plus 6. And then 14 plus 6 is 28 is the answer. So which is not equals to 0, which is not equals to right hand side. Therefore what we can say, x equals to minus 2 does not satisfy both the side of the equation, and therefore equals to minus 2 is not the solution of the given equation.